All right, so what are you guys doing there, Scotty?
Putting in some flashing here before the first log goes down.
And what?
Sill. This is a sill plate. Sill, S-I-L-L. This is the first solid foundation that the logs are going to sit on. You can kind of see right there. Flashing will tucks back behind the log, so if any water runs off of it, it can run off and not behind the log. In this case, there wasn't any seal, which is foam material. We use a lot of backer rod that's made out of the same stuff. It's a closed cell foam that doesn't absorb water. When we set this first row down on, the weight is essentially going to smash that down and create a solid watertight seal without the use of a chemical caulking, basically. Once this is done, there's also a plate or some sort of a trim board or something that's going to go on the outside. It's going to be a second layer of protection. Yeah, well, I guess I should say a third, just 1, 2, and then a third after that. So just the first beginnings of how a wall will be stacked up. We are adding in the things that were missed on the first go around. So this house was actually picked up off of an original foundation and moved about 4 miles to this spot. And so a lot of things were cut and not put back in when this house was set on this foundation. So,
awesome. All right, thanks.